Today, I'm going to show you how to share your Wix website without publishing it. This is incredibly useful when you want to get feedback from clients or team members before making your site live to the public. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Look at the left navigation menu and find the option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it and a drop-down selection will appear. From this drop-down, select Website. This takes you to the main management area for your website projects. Now you'll see your website settings and a preview of your current site. Take a moment here to make sure this is actually the website you want to share without publishing. It's always good to double check, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. This confirmation step prevents any accidental sharing of the wrong project. From this page, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find it at the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to the actual website editor, where you'll make design changes and access sharing options. Go ahead and click on it. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens when building and designing your site. From here, look for the Site menu located on the top left corner of your screen. The Site menu is your control center for site-wide settings and actions. Click on it to proceed. An expanded menu will appear with a list of various options. This menu contains everything from settings to publishing controls. From this list, select Get Client Feedback. This feature is specifically designed for sharing unpublished versions of your site, perfect for gathering opinions and making revisions before going live. Once you click it, a small window will appear displaying a unique shareable link. Simply copy this link and share it with anyone you want to review your site. They'll be able to view your website exactly as you've designed it without it being publicly published. And that's it. You've now created a preview link that lets others see your work in progress without affecting your live site or publishing anything prematurely. This keeps your development process private while still allowing for valuable feedback. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.